Hey there, my name's Andy O'Neill, and this video is going to be different than the other stuff you've seen on my channel. My wife is always telling me I'm not personable enough and I don't share about me enough on YouTube, and so that's what this video is going to be. I'm probably going to do this periodically as I have ideas or thoughts about different things about no code or what have you. But this will be low production, no jump cuts. I'm just going to publish it as is. And I wanted to start a little bit with kind of my journey in freelance and in no code. I started using what we'd consider now no code tools back in about 2008. And through some situations, ended up moving to Kansas City, Missouri, and became a freelancer. And I've done that since 2012. So about 12 years now, I've been a full-time freelancer. And it's been quite a journey. It's been a journey. I will share more probably on another video about that. But it's been an amazing journey. And I found Integromat, which is now Make, back in about 2016 or 2017. And so for 7 or 8 years now, I've been using Integromat, Make, whichever you know it as. It's now Make. And I really finally honed in on the thing that I wanted to do with my freelance life. I love automating in Make. I love solving customer problems, helping them figure out the best way to do things, the best way to automate, figuring out the things that remove the obstacles and the challenges in their business. And I love what I'm doing more than I ever have in the past 12 years of freelancing, or the years before that of working professional jobs. And I wanted to talk a little bit about co-building. I made a switch last year. Prior to last year, mid last year, I called my one-on-one sessions Premium Make Support. They originally started with Premium Integromat Support. Back around when the pandemic started is when I started doing those, because I saw there was a lot of complaining about Integromat support and their response times and their ability to answer questions. And they did go through kind of a rough patch there. And so I looked at that and I said, hey, maybe this is an opportunity. So I created a landing page and I said, if you want help with Integromat, pay me for an hour and we'll get on a Zoom call. And that has been going since, 2017, 2018, probably 2018. No, it'd be the beginning of the pandemic, whenever that was, 2019, 2020, whenever that was, is when I kind of started that. And I love that. And so I made the change to co-building last year because what I looked at these sessions that I was having, and it was not issues with Make. It wasn't problems with Make, not bugs. It wasn't support. It was building alongside of someone. Either I was building for them, or we were building together, or they were building and I was coaching them through it. It's really co-building. And what I've found is the benefit of co-building is speed to market. I mean, even more than just having no code tools. When I'm building with the decision maker who wants the app or automation or whatever it is created, we can build 3 to 5 or 6 times faster than if I were doing the agency model where I'd say, hey, let me work on it and I'll bring it back to you in 2 weeks. It's just faster to work on it because every decision that needs to be made by the business owner on what happens is being made in real time. And that makes that makes iterations, that makes sprints, that makes building in no code so much faster. And I really enjoy and love these kind of calls because I'm finding I'm building meaningful relationships with people, even friendships with strangers. And as we build over, Zoom, an hour, 2 hours, 6 hours, 20 hours, whatever that length of time is, you get to know that person and you create this friendship through Zoom over the common cause of building make automation scenarios and making their business more streamlined and working better. And so that's really cool, really amazing to see. I never expected that part of it. And just the satisfaction of creating a product, which is a personalized call that meets the client's needs, and seeing them get over those issues they had. They reach out and ask for help because they're stuck, and seeing them get unstuck, and even seeing individuals, business owners, they have a few calls with me and they're like, I think I got it. And then I don't hear from them for 6 or 8 months or maybe a year. And, you might think that I'm like, well, I wish they'd come back to me, but actually that's the point of the co-building. And that is my heart for co-building, is that people would learn these skills and then continue on their own. Some of these people come back to me after months or a year and say, hey, I got stuck again. I need help. And some don't. They just keep on going. And sometimes I'll check in with them. I was like, hey, how are things going? It's great. I've got everything running and I'm doing okay. And so that's the point of co-building. And so as I've shifted into co-building, I've really had to look at, my business, and really every business comes down to how much access do you get to the business owner. And so my one-on-one co-building calls are the most expensive offering that I have right now, because it is one-on-one with me, and there's only so much time with me. I do work with a couple other guys. They're fairly busy as well. And so, that high access one-on-one call is kind of where things start. Below that, I've felt like there's something missing, a missing piece in access. And so I'm really considering launching a community, a group, some sort of thing where it's a group access in the summer of 2024. So, later this year. And I would really love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Leave a comment. Tell me what you want that to look like. Tell me what that would be worth to you. So you would get, multiple hours of access for a monthly fee. That would be, per hour of what you would get in a group situation. It would be kind of spread out over many people. So it would be less expensive than booking one-on-one calls with me. So tell me what you think about that. Tell me about the access you'd like to see for that. Currently I have, on this scale of accessibility, I have something called CoBuild Lite, and I kind of launched it last year. I was like, I have clients who send me Loom videos, and we'd send Looms back and forth, and it works really well. And I thought, maybe this is an offering that somebody might want to use. And I've been happily surprised with how many I've gotten. It's not been a ton, but it's an easy way to get some support and to get some access to me. And for me, they're really efficient to reply to. When I have a few minutes of break in between calls, I can jump in, watch the Loom, and respond. And it's been fun. I actually look forward to those Looms, because seeing where people are stuck and trying to find the places to help them get unstuck and get past that bottleneck. And then, I have an email newsletter that I put out every Tuesday, every week. And I would love for you to be on that newsletter. One of the downsides of YouTube is I wish I could contact every person that's subscribed. But the reality is, just because I publish a video, a subscriber may or may not see that video. And so I wish there was a way to go through and say, hey, subscriber, would you like to join my newsletter? And so this is me doing that now, is saying, if you're subscribed to my channel, if you're not subscribed, if you just come along this video, I would love for you to be on my email list. I want to create value. I told a friend of mine, I said, I want each email I send to be drenched and dripping with value for the recipient. It is not at all a sales thing that I'm trying to do. It's not a sales letter. It truly is value and things that are on my mind, and thoughts that I want to share, and ideas. And so I would love it if you subscribe. There's a link in the description here. And then obviously YouTube is kind of the lowest access to me. I record it, I put it out there, and you can interact with that and look at that. And so that's, again, I don't get a lot of interaction on my videos. And that's why I started the newsletter, because I want to contribute, and it's easier to contribute and create content in a newsletter than it is to sit down and record a video. And so that's why I've done that. I want to back up a little bit and tell you a little bit of a story around the co-building. I know somebody here in Kansas City, and his grandfather was the electrical contractor for a big hospital here in Kansas City. And he said every time we drive by that hospital, Grandpa would say, "Hey, now, I wired the electricity in this hospital." And like he was proud that he contributed to something that helped the community, and that was a structure that would be there for, 100 years probably. And that is a legacy. Those grandkids can drive by and say, "Hey, did you know my grandpa, did the electrical on that hospital?" That's a legacy. And what I come to discover a couple years ago is that automation work and no-code development is kind of in the category of disposable, code. It's kind of disposable technology. If you bought a washing machine or a dryer 40 years ago and it broke, it was worth fixing. It was, you'd call a repairman, you get a part, and he'd fix it. Now, if they break, they're not worth fixing. It costs more to fix than to buy a new one. They're disposable appliances. And I kind of started beginning to feel this way about no code and automation, because I would go through a project and do a project that I was proud of and get paid. I mean, I was getting paid, but then, 6 months later, it was like, we're going to do something else. So you can just shut off our make account and we're going to go do something else. And it kind of stung, because I had put my, heart and soul into that and built something that I was proud of. And then it was just trash canned and not there anymore. So I realized that my legacy, the thing that I'll leave behind for people to remember me by, is not going to be the no code tools and the development I do. It is in the pouring into and equipping and training of other people that I want to be remembered by. So that is the shift that I've made to the co-building, the newsletter, the YouTube, everything I do. I'm trying to pour out and help people. My goal is to track 5,000 small business owners that I have helped with automation, helped add automation to their business before I'm done freelancing, which is not going to be for a while. But that's really what I want to do, is I want to pour into the people while doing the tactical things that I love to do, and that I enjoy doing and I'm good at doing. So that's kind of it for today. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have any thoughts or questions about the work I'm doing, co-building, the community, this YouTube channel, I'll put my email on the screen right now, and you can send me an email. I would love to hear from you. I love hearing from people that watch the channel and watch the videos. I'm in a community called No Code Ops, which I would recommend you join. I'll put a link to that in the description. If you're a no code operator, and there's a guy in there. He said, "Hey, I'm a avid subscriber of yours and watch everything you do." And I was like, that is so awesome. So we got to have a conversation and talk around that. And I've been contacted by people on LinkedIn. Had a wonderful conversation via message on LinkedIn. Somebody who found a video, and he messaged me because he's like, I built it. I made it. I got it to work. It was awesome. The video helped me every step of the way to get through it. And so I love hearing that, because I know that I am touching people and helping them overcome challenges and learn something new. So that's my heart. I hope you hear that from me. I've got a heart of an educator, and I'm a, technical nerd, I guess, too. So again, thank you for watching and sticking to the end. 15-minute video, and please feel free to reach out about any questions or thoughts you have. I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you next time.